Hello guys and welcome back to my channel the Shinigami artist. Yesterday I went to stationery shops after a long time and I found really important materials for me, and I'm going to show you those materials. First I found this paper. This paper is very good and it has really good texture and rough texture. Actually this paper is not very good for inking. When you ink, the ink will spread little bit, but it's very good for pencil sketch. Let me show you. Well, it gives me a good texture for pencil sketch, and well, it costs $2, 11 and 14 inch. Okay, the next important thing is these three markers. These three markers are very good, and this touch marker is for my skin color. Well, I'm going to draw a character with this and you will see the outputs. And this Pigma Sakura brush pen, this is very good for manga and comic drawings. I will show you. Wait. And this is color pencil, color eraser. This is really awesome for color erasing. I can erase very easily the colors. Okay, another real important thing is this paper. Do you know why I put this kind of paper under my drawing sheets? Because it's very smooth, and when I sketch it will give me a real blending pressure, and it's very important for your sketch. And here is my Faber Castell Classics 36. Well, I really searched for this color pencil so many years, but I couldn't find this pencil, and finally I found this, and it has 36 different colors. Very amazing and good texture. So let's draw a character and find out how much good these drawing tools are. First I'm going to show you this pen, and this quality is very good. Well, this used by some manga artist. So let's draw it. This pen depends on your pressure. If you pressure too much, it will give you a really amazing lines. Now I am going to use this touch marker for the skin color. And now I am going to use this blue base fine marker for the hair. Wow, it looks like I am drawing some manga cover figure. This. And now I'm going to use Realistic Classic for the hair. Let's see how it looks like. This color pencil is original Indonesian Faber castell, so it really works. If I can get the original Germany Faber castell Classic, well, that would be great, but still I couldn't found that one. But this works, and this works really good. And I can shade also here on the marker. And this one is the best thing I have ever found, cause look at the magic. The color is gone, and you can sharp it as much as you can. So guys, I have showed you my real important drawing materials, and you can see these are really good, but this one is really expensive. So if you can afford, this will really work for you good. So I'm suggesting you to buy this, and put down a comment and what do you think about these materials and the papers. If you used anyone, if you struggled, so if you can ask me for suggestions, I can give you. Wait for next week, I will post a new drawing video or a tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and